Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 10th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound dollar definitely very slow and overlapping this week. Now, the trend is up on the weekly and the trend is up on the monthly, but it is potentially down on the daily. So if that daily time frame is correct, then this move up is potentially still a pullback to this last wave down. So if it does bounce from a fib level, go down, break structure on the 1 hour time frame, then I would definitely take that as a short. On the other hand, even though I think that it is potentially still going to do that, if it decides to go up and break and hold above this structure right here, that tells me that the monthly, weekly time frame trend is probably still active and it's probably going to keep on trending up. So even though I think this move up is potentially a crutch into this move down, the market's the only one that knows best. And if the market decides to go up and break structure, we definitely better listen, and we definitely better start looking for longs on pullbacks after the break of structure. Until that happens, I'm definitely looking at this whole move sideways as very likely being a crutch to the daily time frame turn to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.